Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a collaboration and it's titled Decorate with Bees and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, Sandylynn Home and Garden, Z9 Designs, and myself, Soniadownsouth. And it's about bees. So as you watch, you're going to see me decorate my this little corner in my kitchen with a tray of items that's decoration for bees. When I finish doing that, I'm going to take you outside to just a little small portion of my patio area because most of my patio still needs to be refreshed and that's going to take a while. But I did do a little portion of it and I did it in a theme of bees. So I'll take you outside as soon as we finish this. But stay with me as we decorate with bees. And when you finish watching my channel, I hope that you go over to the other ladies' channels and watch them as they decorate with bees. Okay, here guys, I have the little bitty bee cups. And I have a sign that says be happy and it has a bee on the front of it. And then I have this little man and he's a bee and it says be happy. And he's sitting on a rock. And then I have these two mugs and the small plates that have bees on it and flowers. And they are the same pattern on both the cups and the plates. And then I put some sunflowers on the side because they are colored. The color is lively and it's also in the same color that the bees are. So I put that sunflower on the side of it. So this is just my little bee decoration for inside in my kitchen area. And then I'm going to take you outside to look at the little decoration I have on the outside as well. So here we are outside in a small portion of my patio area near the door. And I did a little bee decoration out here as well. So I wanted to kind of show you on this little sofa. I did some pillows, and my pillows say be kind. And the pillow in the middle came from Home Goods. The pillows on the end, they came from Walmart, but that was last year I purchased those. And then I bought this little bee, and he came from Dollar General. And I bought the rug from Amazon. And as you're going to see a rug there, and it was purchased at Amazon. And I bought the plaque that I put on my door. it was not painted like this. It was very plain, but they did have the flower designs in it. And my granddaughter painted a bee. She drew a bee and painted it on, and then she painted all the flowers around. So she did some artwork for me on it. I was very proud of that. So this is what I got. I have the bees to be kind on my little sofa here. Okay guys, here's my spring decoration with bees on the inside of my kitchen area and on the outside in a small portion of my patio area. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and give me some comments. Let me hear from you. Let me know what you think about this video. And don't forget to go over to the other ladies' channel and watch their videos. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. May God keep you. Bye-bye.